So awesome. This is a great version. Oh, it's got hotkeys as well. Fantastic. Anyway, so this is the cPanel that you should be at when you log in. I'll go over quickly the icons that might be of importance to you. Fantastico right here. This is I guess an application device where you can install other applications like Joomla or WordPress, like photo galleries or blog sites. It's just got or forums, for instance. It's got a lot of great free applications that you could download if you wanted to. Let's see. Email accounts. You can set up as many email accounts. You have unlimited email accounts for your domain name that you got right here. So you can go ahead and go here and set up an email. And then you can forward it for free to your Gmail or Yahoo or Hotmail account, whatever type of account you have. You can forward it here. You can auto-respond. So if you had like Barry at onposters.com, if they send an email to you, the autoresponder would send them a message back instantly. And you can set up a whole lot of email options here. Files. You don't need to use... Well, I'll go over this. So files. You have the file manager. This is a online manager where you can upload files. But there's a limit to the files that you can upload. You can only upload 20 megabytes at a time, which could be a problem. I'm not sure what you want to put on here, but you have a ridiculous amount of space. So you could use this as a backup if you wanted to for any data that you didn't want to lose. But 20 megabytes isn't that much. FTP accounts, this is a whole completely different thing. For an FTP account, you use a client that you download. I use FileZilla. You can upload or download as many gigabytes as you want at a time, and it's much faster and it's much easier to use because you don't have to log into this thing and go to your file manager. It's just another application. You open it, you log in, and then you can just drag and drop like it's your desktop. And when you go here, you set up your FTP accounts. It automatically gives you a default FTP account, which is your username and your password, and then the host. I'll go over that later. Domains, you don't need to know this for now. Databases. This is where we might store information. I'm not necessarily sure if you're going to be using a database or not. As of right now, I don't think you're going to be using one. But that's all you really need to know. Let's go into the Fantastico or Fantastico, I don't know, Fantastico, I think. So you go into here and it's got a whole bunch of different applications. You can always ask me what these are. It's easier to manually install it rather than use this, but I mean you have the option to use this if you want to. You can see there's a whole bunch of different stuff, different blogs, different content management systems, forums, e-commerce, mailing lists, just like a whole bunch of different stuff. And then bitches! Fuck. You're an asshole. Hold up. Fuck, how do you pause this shit? Are you recording it? Yes. So I got sidetracked because Christina's drunk. Anyway, I was on Fantastico. Okay, FTP email accounts. So you go to email accounts, and you can add a new email account. Just type whatever, like Barry at your domain name. You select a password, another password, and then you create it. When you create it, it'll give you a whole bunch of different options that you can select if you want to forward it to another email account and whatever.
I would have forwarded it.
And FTP accounts right here. Go ahead and click this. And this adds an FTP account. You are given 4 already. This is your main one. You're probably always going to want to use this since it accesses the most root directory of your whole hosting package. So it'll be, your user would be onposter1, and then your password would be whatever password you're given. The host, which is very important. I guess I'll go over that right now, and I can log in through FileZilla. Okay, so this is what you're... No, not this. Hold up. Okay. So this is what you get when you open FileZilla. You can set up a new site. Barry's site. We do the host, which would be your domain.com. 21 is always a default port. Log on type. Go to normal. User. What was your username? So your username would be... Right, so you put that there, and then you'd put your password. And because your domain name isn't set up yet, we can't access it. Actually, I'll try right now. I completely forgot what I was doing. Oh. So, right, we're here. We have to get your domain name. I forgot what your domain name was. Your domain name is this. So back to FileZilla, and we put your domain name there, connect. Right, okay, so it doesn't work. Oh, no. It does work. Bam, we're there. Public HTML, and these are all the files you have so far, and this is where we'll upload all your files. Fantastic, that worked perfectly. Log out.